Microphone King Donald D, boy. On a no sellout mission. When I rap on wax, everything is hardcore. People say I'm lethal, that's why I'm an outlaw. Stand at my command, I got the mind of a wizard. Don't ask who is it, I'm paying a visit. The suckers who suck, lollipops get pop. I am above the law, I control the cops. They say, hey diddle diddle, I don't play a fiddle. It ain't the same old or some silly whack riddle for the rap fanatic who never panic. When it's showtime, everything is dramatic. I'm the smartest, the hardest, rapping rap artist. Peeking and seeking my own love goddess. If she hot like a volcano, I strike like a torpedo. Sting like a mosquito, I'm not incognito for the pope or the prayers of boys or celebs. All you knuckleheads are the ones with dreads.
Syndicate posse got suckers on the run.
Word.
Syndicate posse got suckers on the run.
I'm telling you.
Posse got suckers on the run.
While your crew's on the take, Donald D break.
The beat is dope, so Donald D explode. While you're complaining on raining on another episode, I'm the one to portray, I'm your protege. D disobey rappers' resumes. You stand there and stare and just can't bear. See a man in your land become a millionaire without robbing. I'm no gangster lean. I reckon go check it, it's crystal clean. Supreme, I'm super, not souped up. I'm strong to make you move to the groove of a Double D song. Wrong, no, I wasn't for speaking my piece. Now that I am solo, the energy will increase on those who slept, who tried to step on my rep. But now you better accept the intrusion. Look again, no illusion. Got your mind in a state of confusion.
Syndicate posse got suckers on the run. Syndicate posse got suckers on the run. Syndicate posse got suckers on the run.
While your crew's on the take, Donald D break.
You want slick? Well, I'm slicker than your favorite grease. When I release a devastating masterpiece, it's not boring, it keeps you flooring. You won't cease with Donald D, the microphone king, beast of the east. It ain't simple, Simon, yo, what I rock ain't simple. Girl, you got dimples, but a face full of pimples. I'm a tiger, not tigger, knife and trigger. A crowd in a frenzy, I'm a bad nigga. I'm the singular, soloist. Life is a gamble, so I took a risk. The knowledge that I learned wasn't learned in college. A degree doesn't mean a cash flow. But being you wild and keep stepping, while the D is pepping them up to the utmost. The microphone is my weapon. There's no let up, let me speak my piece, cause Donald D is sharper than a permanent crease.
Syndicate posse got suckers on the run. Syndicate posse got suckers on the run. Syndicate posse got suckers on the run.
While your crew's on the take, Donald D break.
We bum rush your city like an 18-wheel tractor. We're real rap stars while others are actors. On your behalf, you put my photograph on your wall. You ball on my photograph. My arch rival wasn't a survivor. In Russian roulette, Donald D a rival. Was bigger than a Pope coming to New York. Bring out the champagne and pop the cork. While you rappers are applying to be my client, I teach rap science. I'm the rap giant on a high power mission to get the recognition. The word Terminator is the best definition to describe the tribe who don't take pride. The sucker MCs to be on our side. We're the boss, of course, the force who tours. Before the battle, you rattle, so take the Lord.
Syndicate posse got suckers on the run. Syndicate posse got suckers on the run. Syndicate posse got suckers on the run.
While your crew's on the take, Donald D break. Yo, Don, you know what I'm saying, man? Syndicate ain't taking no shorts out there, boy, you know what I'm saying? All these suckers selling out left and right, you know what I'm saying? They on the take, boy. But Donald D is down with the Syndicate, the sniper, in full effect. We taking no hostages, blowing up like napalm. My man Donald D, don't mess with him, this is Ice-T talking to you, fool. What do you think this is, boy? You think this is some kind of game? This is Rhyme Syndicate 89, blowing up, killing fools out there, boy. We ain't taking no motherfucking prisoners. Donald D, break, goddammit, I'm tired of this bullshit.